Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove network shared folder and drive in Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove network shared folder and drive on Windows 10 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. In left pane, you will find shared folders, expand it, and then click on shares. You will find all your shared folder here, and this is the shared name, and this one is the folder path. Now right click on the shared folder what you want to delete from sharing. Right click and then click on stop sharing. Now a notification will be opened. Are you sure you wish to stop sharing IT system admin? Click on yes. Look, the shared folder is not available here right now. This is the easiest way to remove network shared folder and drive in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.